In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and process an MRI DVD on your computer. We'll work through each step to ensure you can easily access and manage your MRI scans. So let's get started. First, let's begin by inserting the MRI DVD. Simply place the MRI DVD into your computer's DVD drive. Once inserted, you'll need to give it a moment to load. It's quite common for these DVDs to include a DICOM viewer, which is the software specifically designed for viewing medical scans, along with the scan files themselves. Once your DVD has loaded, you'll want to locate your MRI files. On a Windows machine, open File Explorer. If you're on a Mac, use Finder. Navigate your way to the folder corresponding to your DVD drive. Here, you should find a folder with a name like DICOM, images, or perhaps data. This folder will contain the files you're looking for, typically with a .dcm extension, which is the standard format for DICOM files. While there might be a program on the DVD for viewing these files, the most crucial elements are the .dcm files themselves. Now, let's make sure these files are safely stored on your computer. To do this, you'll need to copy them over. Select the entire folder or all of the DICOM files. With them selected, you right-click, choose Copy, then navigate to a location on your PC where you'd like to save them, such as a folder named MRI Scans in your documents. Right-click again and select Paste. Copying these files to your computer provides a backup in case your DVD is ever damaged or misplaced. Having secured a copy on your computer, we'll move towards uploading these files to Google Drive for even easier access and sharing capabilities. Head to Google Drive and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the plus new button, then choose File Upload if you're uploading individual files, or Folder Upload if you've copied the whole folder. Select the MRI scan files or the entire folder you've just copied. You'll need to wait patiently while Google Drive completes the upload. This may take a few minutes depending on the file sizes and your internet speed. Finally, if you need to share these scans with your doctor, let's walk through that as well. On Google Drive, locate the folder you've just uploaded, right-click on it, and choose Share. Here you can enter your doctor's email address, and you'll then want to decide on the level of access to give them. Choose Viewer if they only need to view the scans, or Editor if they need to make any annotations or notes. Once you've set the permissions, click Send, and they'll have access to your MRI scans. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your MRI files organized, backed up, and ready to share when needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has made accessing and managing your MRI scans a breeze.